If you're new to dropshipping, you're going to want to stop everything and watch this video first. Here's what no one is telling you guys about the dropshipping business, and we're going to explain it in under 9 minutes. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Michelle Bally. I'm a creative strategist, and you're watching Learn with Shopify. This YouTube channel is designed to give you the knowledge that you need in order to grow your online business. The first thing that you need to know about dropshipping is the difference between dropshipping and an e-commerce business. A dropshipping business will have an online store, and when an order is made, the manufacturer or supplier will get notified and ship the order directly to the consumer. The dropshipping store owner has no control over the product quality and the shipping time. Now, on the flip side, an e-commerce brand, also an online store, but in this case, the store owner has already paid for the inventory up front. Hence, they actually have the products at home or in the warehouse. They are in control of the product shipping time and product quality. So with dropshipping, there are a few things that you need to be aware of. Number one, your shipping times may be slow, or the product may never arrive even, and it's gonna leave your customers unsatisfied. And you're likely gonna get complaints and negative reviews because of this. This makes it really challenging to keep customers. And this is all because your manufacturer is responsible for your shipping and you just have no control over this. Number two, you also wanna be aware that the quality of your product may be subpar. Products might arrive at your customer's door either broken or not as pictured. And again, you don't have control over this because your manufacturer is in charge of the quality of your product, and you don't get to see it before it gets to the customer. Number three, another fundamental flaw of dropshipping is that you have little to no control over the branded experience that your customer receives. So, customers are more likely to feel satisfied receiving a clean branded box with marketing materials rather than a product stuffed into a crumpled plastic bag. And again, you have no jurisdiction over this because your dropshipping partner is going to control all of that. And number four, because of all of these things that I've just mentioned, Facebook absolutely hates dropshipping businesses. Dropshipping businesses have received a really negative reputation regarding quality and customer service. And for that reason, Facebook has made it hard for dropshipping businesses to scale using Facebook ads. Facebook may decrease the returns on your ads, which is problematic because as a dropshipper, you rely heavily on Facebook ads to grow your business. And number five, the next flaw in the dropshipping business model is that it is hard to remain competitive. The products you sell could technically be sold by any business if they wanted to. So for all these reasons, developing a winning dropshipping business may take time and effort. So dropshipping doesn't sound like such a good idea after all, but hold up. Don't be so quick to write it off because dropshipping can still be profitable. But before I go into that, if you find these videos helpful, feel free to give us a like, and while you're at it, hit subscribe so that you can continue to learn with Shopify. But back into dropshipping. What else is it good for if you can't use it to build a long-term $1 million empire? Well, one of the significant advantages of dropshipping is that it helps non-existing businesses get their feet off the ground. You can use dropshipping to validate your idea and see if customers will buy from you. Once you feel validated, you can turn your dropshipping business into an e-commerce business where you hold your own inventory, create your own unique products, and have your own product images and videos and content for your website and ads and so on. As an e-commerce brand, you're going to want to invest in influencer marketing. You're going to want to invest in affiliate marketing, PR, email marketing, good customer service, better shipping times, all of that. But sometimes making that leap from dropshipping to e-commerce can be a little scary because investing and holding inventory is costly. Taking on the cost of working with a warehouse, that's also an added expense that you might have yet to experience as a dropshipper, right? And after all that, there's no guarantees. It's costly to take a product that, you've previously dropshipped, design it to be better, and have your own unique competitive edge, right? All of this costs money. So how do you know when you're ready to make that leap from dropshipping to e-commerce? And what are the steps that you can take to make it easier on yourself? I recommend pricing out all the expenses before making the switch. If your business revenue can afford the cost of making the switch, that's a good indicator that the demand for your product is there and it is time to grow. Working with an agent is also a really great way to make this transition easier on yourself. An agent is going to help find winning products for you, and they're going to recommend what suppliers to work with. They will also tell you whether the product you want to sell is legal or trademarked, which will also protect you from legal issues in the future. And of course, as you transition from dropshipping to an e-commerce business, making your products more competitive by customizing those products will be crucial to your business's longevity. And an agent can also help you with this. They're also going to help you because they're going to offer faster shipping times in contrast to what AliExpress and Alibaba can offer. This has been a trending topic here on YouTube over the past year, and hopefully this condensed overview has helped guide you in your dropshipping journey. So yeah, guys, hopefully this video was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Peace.